everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm so grateful you chose to watch this video. Today I'm telling you all about my third big chop / this chop by ChiChi taper cut unit from HEADBAND. I am really feeling it, so thanks to them for sending me this wig. You can actually enter to win a free wig yourself in the promotions listed below in the description box for their anniversary sale. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I customize this wig specifically for me. Comment down below what you think of this look on me and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let's get started. So all of HEADBAND's wigs come in this nice little box. They send you a pamphlet to tell you how to care for the hair. This is the coily texture in a natural color and I use a small cap size. They send you some extra wig clips and a wig strap if you want to add that. But the wig actually comes in this plastic bag and then it has a little hair net over it to keep it safe and protected. And it looks kind of funny, but it doesn't really have a smell other than it does smell like hair. But I really like the curl pattern on this wig and the shape of it. It's a lace closure wig with 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 at the back. And then you also have 2 straps on the sides to help make sure your wig fits snug. I'm just gonna co-wash the wig before I install it, just wetting it with some warm water first, and then I'm using this As I Am Grow Wash to co-wash the hair. And I use like a liberal amount of this because I wanted the hair to be nice and nourished and soft. And I'm finger detangling as I went along. I didn't want to comb it out because I wanted to keep the curl pattern as close to how it looked when it first came out the pack as possible. And then I'm just going to rinse all of that out with just some warm water, and you can see the curls are popping. I'm using a T-shirt just to get off all that excess water, and this is how it looks right after co-washing. So the curls popped a little bit more, especially in the back. And then I'm just gonna leave it on this wig head to let it dry. It really only takes like a couple hours, but I waited a couple days. And this is a couple days later. The curls are still popping. You can tell it's nice and dry. Then I'm just going to cut off the lace in the front, the extra lace, before just putting it on my head. I'm gonna put in the comb in the back first and then the combs on both sides. And then take the 2 straps and clip them together, and this is how it looks underneath, and you just flip it down and there you go. Since it is a lace closure wig, you could wear this hair like with a part to it. So if you do that, I would like adjust the wig cap underneath. I always use a scalp colored wig cap so it looks more natural. And yeah, the parting looks really good. I'm probably gonna wear it like this eventually. But first I'm gonna take some mirrors to just see how I want to start cutting it, and literally just go in with the scissors. I don't have much experience cutting hair, but I kind of just took it slowly, cutting off a little bit at a time, so I didn't cut too much. But I wanted the back to be a little bit shorter and closer to my head, so I'm just pulling out a couple of curls at a time and just snipping a little bit, not too much. And then to give it more shape by the ears, I did cut off a little bit so that my ear was showing a little bit more, and I think that makes it look even more like an actual tapered cut. I'm gonna check in the mirrors again to see what I'm working with, and I want it to be a little bit more like a V shape in the back, not a real V, but like going towards the center. So I'm just cutting a little bit more off of each side, checking in the mirrors again. And I think I had it where I wanted it, so I clipped up some of the hair in the front and just started working on the middle area. And then I cut each side right by the ear to give me like a sideburn type of look. And then with the front, I just thought it was a little bit too long. I liked the way it looked, but I couldn't see. So I started to pull out a couple of hairs and clip them. And then where the hairs were a little bit scraggly on the ends, I just clipped that off just to make it look a little bit better. Now I like the shape of it after this, but I don't know, I feel like looking at it on the video I can tell a little bit better what it looked like than when I had my mirror. So I do like the way it looked right here, but I ended up cutting a little bit more to give it a more like tapered look in the front, like going towards the center again, like in a V shape. So I cut off a little bit more, and I think I got a little bit scissor happy because I would have still liked to keep a little bit more length than I had right here, but I still do think it looks pretty good. So I just kind of fluffed it out and then cut a little bit of the hairs that were still sticking out a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the cut. And then just to style it, I'm gonna spray on some warm water and then define the curls with this Eco Styler Gold Gel. You can use any gel, I just wanted to use this one, but I'm just gonna kind of put it all over the back areas and then finger coil a couple of spots. And I'm also gonna finger coil my little BDBs in the back that didn't fit underneath of the wig cap, just to make it all blend together. And then towards the middle and the front, I'm doing the same thing, just like shingling the gel through my hair and coiling some pieces by finger coiling, just to give it a little bit more definition. And honestly, you don't have to do this at all. I still think that the curl pattern was fine without defining it with gel. I just wanted to try it, but in the future I'll probably just wear it in its natural state. I'm gonna take this Eco Styler Edge Control and give myself a little S curl on each side. This is where I cut off the little sideburn pieces just so I could do this and make it look even more natural, like it is my hair growing out of my head. Then I'm gonna tie those little sideburns down and then use this Yellow Bird dryer by Conair to dry where it's wet from the water and gel. And this just gives it a little bit more volume too, because it had gotten a little way down from the gel. So this only took me maybe like 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes, and that's pretty much it. I will say that the sideburns didn't stick to my face, like they wouldn't stay. I don't know if that's because it's not my hair and it doesn't want to lay down, or if I didn't leave it tied up for long enough. But overall, I do really like the wig and the hair, but you can see it's not very dense. You can see my wig cap showing in the back, so be careful with that if you do get this wig and the coily hair in general. But yeah, I love the style. I love the way it turned out. Maybe I cut a little bit too much, but I still like it. I'm still gonna rock it, and it's really cute with the glasses. So if you want to check out this wig, I'll leave all the information below. This is Her Given Hair's shortest wig, and I think it's really, really cool, especially if you want to switch up your style for the summer. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel, of course, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.